Most people get this wrong and think their vanilla gift card is broken when online purchases fail, but here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, most issues are not card failures. They are verification, billing, or merchant restrictions. In this video, you'll learn exactly why your vanilla gift card is not working online, how to fix it step by step, and how to make it work smoothly for future purchases. Let's get straight into it. First, understand how vanilla gift cards work. They are prepaid Visa or MasterCard cards, which means they behave like debit cards online. That also means they are checked by strict payment systems before approval. Now here's the biggest reason for failure. Many online stores require billing address verification. If you enter random details, the payment will instantly decline. So if Alex tries using a card without registering it first, the system will reject it. Here's what you should do first. Go to the official Vanilla Gift Card website and register your card. Enter your name and address exactly as required. This step alone fixes a huge number of declines. But here's the problem most people miss. Some websites block prepaid cards completely. Streaming platforms, subscriptions, or international stores sometimes reject them automatically. So if Jake tries to use it on one site, it may fail, even if everything is correct. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even when a card is accepted, small technical issues like insufficient authorization buffer can cause failure. For example, if your purchase is $25 and your card balance is exactly $25, the transaction can fail due to temporary holds. So always leave at least $1 or $2 unused if possible. Next, check your card balance before every attempt. Many users assume the card still has funds, but pending transactions or holds can reduce available balance. Another key fix is to avoid repeated, failed attempts. If you keep trying too many times, the system may temporarily block the card for security reasons. John experienced this when he tried 5 times in a row, and the card got locked for 24 hours. Also, make sure the website supports prepaid Visa or MasterCard payments. If it does not, no fix will work because the restriction is on the merchant side. Now here's a simple trick that often helps. Try using the card on smaller purchases first, like digital gift cards or low-cost items. Once it works, you can gradually use it for larger transactions. So let's summarize clearly. Vanilla gift card online failures usually happen due to missing registration, billing address mismatch, merchant restrictions, insufficient balance buffer, or security blocks from repeated attempts. If this helped you fix your issue, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more real-world gift card fixes and troubleshooting guides in 2026.